guys, it's Stacy and I'm here with my Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood. It's an open collaboration to anybody who wants to participate. You can post on Saturdays with a hashtag satmornmakes or any day of the week because not everyone's able to post on Saturday. I wasn't able to post yesterday. It's actually Sunday. So I wanted to share the card I made, and I'll leave all the information for Jill's channel down below, and how you can participate in Saturday Morning Makes. Also, I'll leave all that information down below with a link to Jill's channel. So today I have a card for you, and I used this cute little stamp from Whimsy stamps. I believe her name is Honeybee. She is a red rubber stamp. I use Stampendous. I use the Be Happy sentiment from the Stampendous set. And this is Bumblebee Happy. I used some Pure and Simple Glossies. These were from Simon Says Stamp. They're called Winter Berries. You'll see why I used those. And I used a really old paper pad from Colorbox. Sorry, that was my husband coughing in the background. And this one is called Designer Light Bright. Here's the card I made. Isn't she cute? So what I did was I stamped her on a card panel, and I colored her up with some Copic markers. So like this, Copics, and then I used Prismacolor Premier marker or pencils. I've got those buried, and so after I did all my shading with the Copics, I used the Prismacolor Premier to add a little bit more detail in there to her hair, and I accidentally used some red to darken it in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can get up there. But it tied in with the red I put in her dress. I just wanted a pop of color. I know that this was probably supposed to be one of those white little puffy flowers that you blow and the seeds go everywhere with the, you know, how that when you blow them when you're a kid, a lot of times we make wishes with them. But I just really wanted her to have a pop of color. And so then I masked her. So on the back, you'll see that I masked her. And I just use copy paper. A lot of times I cut it down to the size of an A2 card front. And then I just stamp my image on it and then fussy cut it. And then I use a zig 2-way glue pen, because while it's wet and you adhere it, it will become permanent, but if you let it dry, it becomes repositionable. And then I just use my hand or rub it on my clothes to make it less tacky. And then that's what I use as the mask. And then I ink blended, and I just used some Post-it tape like this to create the border for what is supposed to be the grass, and then the sky. And I didn't want it to fill the whole card. I wanted it to be soft. I actually laid a little bit more down than I wanted to. And then I took these enamel dots, these little glossy dots, and I just scattered them around. I thought the different colors would work well, because in her skirt you can really see the difference in the tones, and these match it almost perfectly. I used a Spectrum Noir glitter pen, and I added some to the flower, to the red portions of her outfit, to her cheek, I don't know if you can see that, and to her eye, her eyelid, and her lips. And then on the inside, I took a piece of this pattern paper in here and just cut it out, and I thought the red tied in well with the flowers there. And even though this isn't, you know, black and yellow polka dot for B, I still thought it tied in well with her polka dots. So, and then I just stamped handmade with love and then put my name there. So that is my Saturday morning makes. I'm going to leave all the information down below for Jill Norwood's channel. I'll be back. I had done a secret giveaway, and so I'm going to come back and announce the winner to that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.